Hello and welcome back to my channel. In this vlog, I'll explain you subtraction and its various types. So without wasting the time, let's start. So first type is with the help of picture. So here I have drawn 4 stars, and out of these 4 stars I have to subtract 2 stars. So what is the easiest method? In second line, as you can see, you just draw 4 stars and subtract 2 from that. Okay, as I have cut 2 stars. So after cutting, just count and write down the answer. So after cutting, there are only 2 stars left. 1, 2. So you just draw 2 stars and within bracket write down number 2. Then here I have drawn few balls, and out of this I have to subtract 1 ball. So first count, there are total how many balls? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So there are total 7 balls. So in next line I have drawn 7 balls, and out of 7 I have cut 1 ball, and count the remaining ball and write down the answer. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 balls are remaining. So draw the 6 balls and within bracket write down 6. Then second type is you have to subtract 1's position. So below 1's position I have written 5 minus 2. So easiest method is you can count on the fingers as well as with the help of sticks. So here I have drawn 5 sticks, and out of 5 sticks I have cut 2 sticks, and then count the remaining sticks. So 1, 2, 3. 3 sticks are remaining after subtracting 2 from 5. So write down number 3 and within bracket draw 3 sticks. Then 4 minus 4. So easiest method is you just count on the fingers or draw the sticks. So here I have drawn 4 sticks and I have cut the 4. So answer you will get is 0. 4 minus 4 means 0. Okay. Then next is 3 minus 1. So draw the 3 sticks, and out of 3 sticks you have to cut the 1 stick. Then count the remaining stick and write down the answer. So 2 sticks are remaining. So write down number 2 and within bracket draw the 2 sticks. Then 6 minus 2. First you draw the 6 sticks, and out of 6 sticks you have to cut the 2 sticks. So draw the 4 sticks and write down number 4. And last is 1 minus 0. So for 1 you will draw 1 stick, and 0 does not represent any stick, so no need to draw any stick. And as we know, whatever number we subtract from 0 will get the same number. So 1 minus 0 you will get the 1, and draw 1 stick. Then next is third type, subtraction of tens and ones. So first is under ones, 8 minus 5. So for 8 you will draw 8 sticks, or you can count on your fingers as well. And out of 8 sticks you will cut the 5, as I have cut 1 bunch here. As I said earlier, 1 bunch is of 5 sticks. So how many sticks are remaining? 3 sticks are remaining. So within bracket you draw the 3 sticks, and 8 minus 5. 3 sticks means 1, 2, 3. You will write down the number 3, and 3 minus 0. Nothing is written. So for 3 you will draw 3 sticks and you will write number 3. Then next sum is ones. Under one's place you can see 5 minus 1. So for 5 you will draw the 5 sticks, and out of 5 you will cut the 1 stick. So how many sticks are remaining? 4. So within bracket draw the 4 sticks and write down number 4. And 6 minus 0, so draw the 6 sticks, and you will write down the same number below, as nothing you have to subtract from the 6. Then 9 minus 7. Draw the 9 sticks and cut 7 from 9. Okay. So 7, 8, 9. 2 sticks you will draw within bracket. Write down number 2. And 6 minus nothing. It means you will write down 6 number as it is. Clear? And last type, that is the fourth type, you have to subtract hundreds, tens and ones. So first part is, in this I'll show you subtraction of one position. Means in first part you can see subtraction of ones place. So 7 minus 3. So you draw 7 sticks, and out of 7 you just cut 3 sticks and count the remaining sticks. So how many sticks are remaining? 4 sticks are remaining. So write down 4 sticks. Draw the 4 sticks and write down number 4. So this is subtraction of ones place. You don't have to subtract tens and hundreds position. I am just showing you how to subtract ones place. Okay. Then in second part you have to subtract tens place. So 5 under tens place you have to subtract 5 minus 4. So for 5 you have to draw the 5 sticks, and out of 5 sticks you will cut 4 sticks and write down the remaining number. So 1 stick is remaining, draw the 1 stick within bracket and write down number 1. And last is you have to subtract the 100 position. 2 minus 1. So for 2 you will draw 2 sticks, and out of 2 you have to cut 1 stick. So 1 stick is remaining, within bracket you will write down 1 stick and you will draw 1 stick and you will write down number 1. Okay. So this is the end of the vlog. Hope you like it, and if so, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.